In this video, we change out the cabin filter in the Ram Rebel. Let's do it. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another exciting video filmed in my driveway. So today, I was just planning on basically doing some basic maintenance stuff to the Ram. I was gonna change the oil, clean out the air filter, check the new oil catch can, see how that's doing. It's been on there for a few weeks now. But while I was at AutoZone buying all my material here for an oil change, if you want to know how to do an oil change on a Ram 1500, I'm gonna put a link in the description to my previous video where I showed you how to do an oil change on the Ram. And like I was saying, while I was at AutoZone, something caught my eye, something that I have never done and neglected to do in the 3 years that I've owned my Ram, and that is changing the cabin filter. I don't even know if my truck actually has a cabin filter. I've seen on the Facebook pages that some 1500s don't even have a cabin filter installed from the factory. So today we're going to figure out and find out if the truck has a cabin filter, and I'm going to show you how to change it. So stick around and enjoy. All right, so oil change is all done. Had a little bit of a mishap while changing the oil. Had to pressure clean the driveway real quick to avoid any sort of stains. So that's all done. We can get back to what we're actually talking about, which is the cabin filter. So you can see here, Purolator 1. This is the filter we're going to be using. There is the part number if you want to go ahead and get this filter. Like I said, this was purchased at AutoZone. It was $21. So yeah, we gotta go in here into the glove box and pull all this stuff out of here. And the cabin filter is actually right behind here. So you see like those little pins right there. Just move that one out of here and do it to the other side. And then you can see that more or less just falls down, I think. Oh, gotta take this little thing off, little catch. You see that? So when that comes off, this falls down, and see that right there? That is the box for your cabin filter. So you can see it on there, airflow, and the arrow pointing down. So we gotta kind of match that up with that, just like a regular air filter when you change it in your air handler inside the house. So let's see, how do we open this up? Oh, push pin there, and one there. Let me go ahead and put you guys down so I can get this out. But you push that clip in there, that one right there, and then this door should go ahead and open up and we can remove the filter. So there you see right there, little push pin right there, you can pull it off. And then that exposes your cabin filter right there. So I guess this truck actually did come equipped with one. And then you just kind of go ahead and pull it out. Oh yeah, look at that shit. God damn, that thing is fucking filthy. Yeah, so I guess that's what a 3-year-old cabin filter looks like. Yeah, that's fucking gross. All right, so there's the old one. Let's go ahead, pull the new one back out. You can see it right here. Airflow, you see that? Little arrow there. Match it up with that. Just like that, airflow down. So we take the new filter and we just shove it on in there. there it is. New cabin filter installed. So let's go ahead, put the plate back on, all this shit back on, and then we're done. So you see that right there? That little thing grasps on right there. One right there as well. And another one right there. And there it is. Put it back on. Everything's assembled. Don't forget, reattach this little string piece here. That's the actual catch that keeps it upright. If that's not installed, this will just fall all the way down. So there it is, guys. I know this was a random video, no real cool mods or anything in this one, more so just like a little maintenance video on installing your cabin filter there. But yeah, I would highly recommend doing so, because as you can see, if you've never done it before, it's pretty gross. So there it is, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.